Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Welcome. Super excited that you're here with me. I am going to be sharing some basics of stamping with you. This is a series of videos where I just wanted to share some of the basic things that I get questions about a lot. This video is sped up a little to save a little time, but super simple stuff here. So this is one of Stampin' Up's clear mount stamp sets. It comes like this, exactly the way you're seeing it, on a sheet, and you have to punch out each individual stamp. Then you peel away the backing from every stamp, and then I'm going to show you a trick for applying the stickers to each stamp. Now, one of the problems that I find with these clear mount stamps, and most clear mount stamps actually that have a sticker on the back, is that sometimes they don't want to stick well to the clear block. Now, that's totally fixable and really easy to help and deal with, and it's not a big deal at all. It can be a little time consuming here at the beginning, but once you have it done, it's finished and good to go forever. So I've peeled away the backing and thrown those away, and then I've got all of my sticker pieces. So I'm just going to peel off all of these stickers and lay them here in a pile and get them ready to prep for their stamp. Now, Stampin' Up! Offers some wood mount stamps options, clear mount, which are these, and then photopolymer, which are the clear stamps that you can see through. Photopolymer stamps are really easy to adhere to a clear block. There's no problem with those at all, but these ones can give trouble occasionally. So here is my master tip for this. The thing that I do is I take the time to trim around every sticker that goes to the stamp. So these stickers would fit on the stamp from side to side, top to bottom perfectly. However, what I've decided to do is trim in so that there is a little bit of the clear mount stamp showing on the stamp. So when I peel away everything, I've got a little edge of the clear mount stamp there. Now, also you may have noticed that I peeled away half, got my placement, and then peeled away the other half of the backing on the sticker. Here's another thing I want to show you. On a little stamp like this one is tiny. I did my trimming around the edge, and then I'm going to line everything up and get my sticker put on. Once I get my sticker put on, I'm going to peel everything away, and I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of Tombow glue on a piece of scrap paper. I've placed down the Tombow glue, it's the multi mono adhesive glue, and then I'm just going to get a little bit on my finger, and I'm going to rub it around onto the back of this stamp. Now that will sit and dry, and it will be a tacky surface. I don't ever need to clean it off. I can just leave it like that. There's no reason I have to wipe anything away. And it will just be a tacky surface that then I am able to use this stamp, and it will always stick really well to a clear block. I do want to show you just a couple more of these, the process of how I do this. So basically you are going to trim around the edges. So here's a sentiment. I'm just going to trim really close to the sentiment, as close as I can get, basically without cutting into the image itself. And then I'm going to peel just half of the backing paper away, place it onto the back of my clear mount stamp, and then once it's placed, I will stick down the side that's sticky and peel away the side that still has release paper. Now, I have heard some people say that they just don't put stickers on their stamps and they just leave the sticker off altogether. I personally really like having the sticker on there so I know exactly what I'm going to grab for when I go to grab for it. I don't want to have to guess as to what's on there. So this is my quick tip for you on making sure your clear mounts stick to the clear block. I encourage you to try this technique because it really works well. And it's just a super simple thing to do, and it obviously doesn't cost anything, and you will find yourself being much less frustrated. If you need any stamping supplies or any products from Stampin' Up! And you don't already have a demonstrator, I would be happy to earn your business. You can get free catalogs from me by placing orders with me or requesting a catalog in my on my website at loveandstampin.com and clicking request a catalog. Thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoy. At the end of this video, you will find 2 more videos that you can click on and watch those as well. Thank you. Bye-bye. Here are 2 more videos from me. Click on either one of the images and you'll be taken to that video. Click on the little circle that has my face in it and you'll subscribe to my channel. You can give me a thumbs up and leave me comments. I always enjoy that. Thanks for tuning in, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.